you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Oo. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down. Kaya ako sinarado ang pintuan kanina.
Andali na.
Ano ba yan to? Itsura mo.
Hindi kaya basta ng germicide or the right answer is
Sabihin na yun, Daddy.
Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Ang galing kumain. Sit down. Gigil na.
I swear, 555 ang pinakasulit na tuna. Give me 555!
Sit down.
Huwag mo iaano ng 10 minutes, Marlene.